Inside Edge, one of India's most popular thriller franchise, is back with a third season, and we are here to present you the first look. Now, 4 saal pehle in 2017, Inside Edge started its journey and marked the beginning of a supremely successful collaboration between Prime Video and Excel Entertainment. And this collaboration has given us a lot of popular and acclaimed titles, which all of you know of, including Inside Edge, that has emerged as a must-watch sports thriller over 2 successful seasons, and like all of you, even maybe bada fan. And now we're all set for the third one. This time the stakes are higher, the stage is bigger, and as Vikrant Dhawan in Inside Edge always says, the game behind the game gets more intriguing. It's time for Inside Edge Season 3, more drama, more entertainment, and of course, more cricket. Well, innings ki shuruaat karte hain, so should we say we begin? Yes, indeed. I would like to call upon stage my first guest this afternoon to talk about the new season, the thought behind it, and what it holds for all of us, which is the audience. Please put your hands together and welcome Head of India Originals Prime Video, Aparna Purohit. So good to see you. The stage is all yours.
Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you so much for joining us today on this really special occasion. This is special because the first ones are always special. And Inside Edge was our very first Amazon original that we had launched that set the creative bar so high. It set the stage for cinematic, compelling, really exciting stories that are rooted in the soil of our country. This is also the first original, the first Indian fiction long-form content that got nominated for the International Emmys in 2018. So it really put us on the world map. This is also the very first Indian Amazon original that we're launching the season 3 of, which is a testament to the fact that it has garnered so much love and appreciation from audiences, not just within the country, but across the length and breadth of the world. And on this momentous occasion, I'd like to specially express my gratitude to our long-standing partners, Excel Media and Entertainment, with whom we share a very common sense of intent and purpose to create compelling, exciting, cinematic stories. And together we've given some phenomenal shows that have become a part of our cultural zeitgeist and popular culture. And without much ado, guys, let me ask you to fasten your seat belts for this exciting show which brings together India's 2 passions, cricket and entertainment. Just stay tuned. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Aparna ma'am. And
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Sorry, is that very loud?
echoing the stadium, so
Yes.
you like it.
Well, hopefully now the stadiums are full,
Sorry?
so the echo will be less.
Yeah.
Bilkul sahi.
A few words from your side and thoughts on the season 3.
Well, firstly, I want to congratulate, of course, Aparna, her wonderful team, for believing in this show. I want to thank her from the bottom of my heart. Also, Karan, who's the creator of the show, he really has put together a very interesting season 3, which I'm sure everybody will enjoy very much. Kanishk, our director, and of course the amazing cast who's been with us over the last 2 seasons and now the third. So I want to congratulate all of them for putting together something really good. Apart from that, whatever else I was going to say, Aparna has said before me of our wonderful association that has been, I mean, since the very beginning that original shows started being made in India. Inside Edge was the first. It did really well for us. Hopefully Aparna will agree that it did well for them as well. And for the audiences who have absolutely enjoyed it. And that has given us the strength and the belief to go ahead and make a third season, which I'm pretty sure everyone will enjoy.
We're looking forward to it and wishing you all the best, and may I
Thank
request to join the lovely lady in the VIP stand right there.
It literally is a VIP stand where you have to.
Thank you. Well, thank you so much for letting us into the world of Inside Edge and present.
Hey, thanks guys. You know what they say in sports, just play, have fun, enjoy the game. And from that perspective, I would say Inside Edge, the third season is the most fun we have had. We've really upped the game when it comes to the writing and the production. And really got to thank Aparna, Farhan and Ritesh to help us sort of realize that vision that we had for the third season. This is really where we wanted to be when we started writing the first one. It is a celebration of cricket. It is a celebration of human nature and all the drama that comes from both these things and that is born out of this force. And you know, it's come together wonderfully in this edition. So I hope you guys really enjoy it. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Karan. Thank you. And congratulations to season 3. And
Thank you so much.
The stage is all yours. A few thoughts.
Well, I mean, just to be short, it's been a great opportunity for me. I mean, I still remember I was just like one small film mold, and I'll forever be grateful to Karan, to Kasim, to Farhan, to Ritesh, to Amazon, Aparna, and Excel for believing in me that I could pull this off, and it's just been a dream for me. I've always said that everything that happens in my life is going to be pre and post Inside Edge. And it was just such an amazing experience with the backing that I got from Excel, from Karan, the free hand that he gave me, the great cast. We just had a lot of fun doing the show. It was stressful on days, but I mean, now when I look back, I am just so happy that we went with it and everyone gave their 100%. And I hope you all feel the same way. So that's all. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kanishkan. Quite literally, you're waiting for the inside edge of season 3. And I request all 3 of you also to please join us here, center stage, all 4 of you, because the much-awaited moment is here. Generally, you know, अगर क्रिकेट के मैदान में है तो जनरली टॉस करते हैं कि ट्रेलर दिखाया जाए या नहीं, पर ऐसा कुछ नहीं करूंगा मैं यहाँ पर. ट्रेलर तो दिखाने के लिए, that's what we've gathered here for. So, with their permission, with all the makers are right here on stage, let's have a huge round of applause to Prime Video team. Everybody, let's make some noise for something really enthralling, entertaining coming onto the screen. So with your permission, and I request you to take the hot seat. अगर आपकी इजाज़त हो तो ट्रेलर स्क्रीन पे पेश किया जाए. Thank you so much. Into the stadium. Thank you. Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we all have been waiting for. Presenting to you the trailer of Inside Edge Season 3. Welcome to both of you. Good to see you. Good to see you. Well, हम सब a little ahead, that'd be nice. Center stage, thank you. Well, हम सब काफी curious है जानने के लिए कि, you know, what's exciting in the series, आप दोनों के बीच में strategy क्या होंगी, पर सबसे पहले वायु, आपको क्या लगता है कि वायु टेस्ट कैप्टन बनने के लिए बेस्ट फिट हैं?
Absolutely, no doubt about it. I think मैं ही नहीं बल्कि इनसाइड एज के सारे फैंस को भी यही लगता है कि वायु राघवन से और बेटर कैप्टन हो ही नहीं सकता. And you know, he has that never say die attitude, और वही उसकी USP है. And in this particular season, he's after something really massive. और वो जब तक उसे हासिल ना करे, वो रुकेगा नहीं. So it's Vayu Raghavan all the way.
Oh, the rivalry is already heating up here. But what do you think has been, you know, his biggest weapon in facing an environment of rivalry and always emerging as a winner? What is that?
His faith and confidence in himself and his abilities, no matter who he's pitted against, no matter the opposition.
Confidence से कूट-कूट के भरा है हमने पूरे, you know, season 2 में देखा है.
जी.
And Rohit, तुमने सुना वायु का कहना? Now,
जी बिल्कुल.
You're a red ball specialist and an expert in the longer format of the game, and arguably the most important batsman in the series. And you've also seen Vayu rising fast as a shining star in the Power Play League. Rumor has it that he is gunning for your position. So what are your thoughts on this rivalry? You think possible?
Well, यार मुझे लगता है कि एक अच्छा player एक अच्छा captain बन सकता है. And I think Rohit has shown great efforts in both roles. I know Vayu Raghavan is a very respected T20 cricketer, but जहाँ Test cricket की बात आती है, Vayu is no threat for Rohit.
So is it going to be, I would say, is it going to be tough for Vayu?
I think so. Because if Test cricket is the Olympics, then Rohit's the Michael Phelps of that.
Well, he said tough, not impossible. So yeah, I'm coming for you.
Bring it on, brother.
We like that. We like that. But right now, you cool down a little bit and head to your dugouts and request both of you to stand on to the either side of the stage. Yeah. Well, ये तो on-field rivalry हमने देखी है. Well, अब I request you please. मैंने एक बार जो बोल दिया. He's always closer to you. He's always in that. I love that. And cut to the other rivalry, which is Zarina. She's also got her own oomph and the style and the confidence that she has. Well, जब ऐसे दो धुरंधर बल्लेबाज फील्ड पे भिड़ेंगे तो धमाका तो होने ही वाला है. Well, all we can say is that out of both of them, the best man win and moving on. अब innings break तो नहीं लूंगा because मैंने already कह दिया है कि दो और शख्स यहाँ पर आने वाले हैं जो rivalry जिनकी बहुत तेज है off field. We just saw a battle on field. But this is Inside Edge Season 3. There is a lot at stake, a lot. यहाँ on field से बड़ा मैच off field खेला जाता है और अब जो इस स्टेज पे आने वाले हैं वो इस खेल का करता धरता है. They are the masterminds, they're the fortune tellers, the people who love to play the game behind the game. Please give a round of applause for the handsome and ever so cerebral game player who's back with a bigger and grander plan this season, Vikrant Dhawan. And joining him is a dazzling and fierce Zarina Malik, who's eyeing the throne in this big, bad man's world. Please welcome Vivek Oberoi and Richa Chadda. Welcome to both of you. Well, Inside Edge की दुनिया को जितने अच्छे से आप लोग जानते हैं, शायद ही कोई जानता होगा. And विवेक के विक्रांत धवन, सक्सेस, फेलियर, धोखा, अब तक के 2 सीजन्स में विक्रांत ने सब कुछ देखा है. What is it that matters the most to him now and what are you eyeing for? What is that target, that lakshya in the new season for Vikrant?
Vikrant Dhawan is back for his revenge, to take back what is rightfully his. To answer your first question, विक्रांत के लिए अब सिर्फ खेल मैटर करता है. It's not the results. It's the game that he's playing that matters most. क्योंकि जब तक विक्रांत गेम में है, he can turn the tables anytime.
Ooh, the Tehrav said it all. The game behind the game. We are looking forward to it. Zarina, you heard it from the man. Well, Zarina is up for something big this time. किसको हराना चाहती हैं Zarina?
नहीं, मैं किसी को नहीं हराना चाहती. मैं तो बस खुद जीतना चाहती हूँ. And I think as a woman, Zarina has been watching the game from a distance for a very long time. पर अब गेम के पास जाके उसको बदलने का वक्त आ गया है. And you know that the big chair of the ICB is up for grabs this season and she's not going to stop at anything.
Wishing you all the best for that. And let's have a huge round of applause to the off-field game players. Thank you and request to please step on to the left and right of the stage. And thank you. Well, thank you. Well, this season already looks thrilling and full of suspense. There's a lot of twists and turns that we're expecting. But at the same time, itni rivalries ke liye zaruri hai अच्छे analyst की, an expert, who has to make things easier for us. Please welcome the brains behind the game, a master at perfectly all the difference between a win and a loss. Please welcome Shayani Gupta as... Good to see you.
Very good to see you. Hello, everyone. I hope you're well.
We're fine. I could just feel a static. That's the electrifying presence she's got here. Welcome and good to see you. Shayani, a.k.a. Rohini. How do you bring method to this whole madness?
Well, Rohini is an analyst and she works with data. So being sorted and being methodical is pretty much Call of Duty. So it comes with the job. And, having said that, I don't think cricket is all about analysis. It's also about the thrill, the excitement, the rivalries. So that's what I think makes it the greatest sport in the world.
And yes, we've seen that. You've always been on the edge, inside edge, getting all the info, stats. But I have a googly sawal for you. Vayu aapke bhai hain. But do you think he's fit to become the test captain?
हाँ, वायु भाई है, बहुत सताता है सबको, मुझे भी थोड़ा बहुत. But having said that, I think Vayu should get everything that he deserves, and he's extremely focused and hardworking. We've all seen that. And I'm 100%, rather 200% biased, so I would say he deserves the captaincy.
We could actually see the brotherly love from Vayu coming there. He was actually looking and hoping, what is she going to answer? I hope. And here you get it. But thank you so much. Thank you so much,
Thank
guys, for sharing your thoughts. And this has been an incredible afternoon. But before we proceed, I would like to call on everybody, since we've got, the cast here, I request all of you to please join us center stage. And I would also request the makers to please join us on stage. May I request Farhan, Aparna, Kanishk, Karan, please join us on stage for a nice photo op. A perfect moment to be captured for all the twists and turns that we're expecting. Welcome back. More ahead. I request all of you to please step forward, a couple of steps forward. Onto this. Jay? Is this good? Yeah. Kanishk, Richa, you guys want to just come a little forward? Thank you. Well, thank you so much. I request all of you to please stay back on stage. And what I'm going to do is there's so much to talk about. I'm sure all of you have a lot of questions to ask as well to the cast and the makers of Inside Edge Season 3. But we're going to set the stage because even I have a couple of questions to ask before I open the floor for the media Q&A. I'm sitting here. ये मेरी है. ये कुर्सी तो छोड़ दो यार. ये कुर्सी तो छोड़ दो. वायु ऐसा नहीं कर सकते. हर कुर्सी नहीं वायु. All right. Farhan, Richa, may I request all of you to please. मेरी आवाज ऐसी है ना, मेरी हर बार बोलते हैं सब, कोई बोलता है तू डरा देता है यार, बैठ जाओ बच्चों. बैक बेंचेस वहां पे पीछे बातें कर रहे हैं तो मुझे बुलाना पड़ा कि thank you. Now, anybody water?
Thank you.
H2O, anybody? Oh, good. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. All right, our friends from the media have कई सारे सवाल हैं पर उससे पहले fandom around Inside Edge. Yeah, sharing is caring, please. Thank you.
You want to know about the game behind the game.
Yes, and the fandom, the craze.
Nice, Aparna, nice.
For us at Amazon, everything is customer backwards. Customers are really at the front and center of all the decisions that we make. And the fact that we are launching season 3 is a testament to the fact that the show has received so much love and adulation, so much fandom around it. It's really become a part of the cultural zeitgeist of this country.
And I'm one of the crazy consumers who's loved it, so thank you so much for bringing in another season. Wishing you guys all the best, and especially you. Without you, yeah. Yeah, tum. Well, Farhan, as we say that a great dish has a secret sauce. What's that special secret when it comes to making a show like Inside Edge, which has resonated so well with the audiences in India and beyond, spanning 3 seasons or 3rd season coming up?
Well, the secret sauce is the perfect mix and the perfect balance of cricket and entertainment. This country loves its cricket. This country loves its entertainment on screen. And Inside Edge brings those two together perfectly. So I mean, there's drama, there's thrill, there's sporting action. So the entire kind of up and down and emotional upheaval and disappointment that it can bring when you're watching a game. And some really, really fantastically written characters and character arcs. So I feel it is engaging for audiences across all ages, across all genders. And that's what really, really makes it tick. I mean, the fact, like Aparna just mentioned, that we are in season 3 is really a testament in itself. That people have enjoyed this world, have enjoyed these characters, they are wanting to see more. Unfortunately, the lockdown didn't allow us to show it to them a little bit earlier than we would have liked. But here we are, and now that things are coming back to normal, we hope that you will enjoy this the way you've enjoyed the first two.
Yeah, and each and every element as well. Every character that we are hooked onto. Thank you for bringing us this superb dish called the Inside Edge. And thank you for bringing
Thank you so much, man. It was just for you.
I love you. Thank you, Farhan. Karan, tell us a bit about the theme of season 3 of Inside Edge and how the show has sort of grown under your stewardship.
Right, like I mentioned earlier, like this is the, the most complex and satisfying season that we had a lot of fun writing. We've really expanded the scope of it. Cricket is obviously, now we're talking about test cricket, which is, the epitome of the sport in many ways. It takes a lot of character to play test cricket and to stay at the crease. And similarly, I think, the characters here have peaked in this season. So we have all the women taking center stage. They're just moved into the foreground. They're the ones who are just calling the shots and, elevating. We've elevated them into positions where the everything else sort of falls to the wayside. And it's not just Zarina's character or, Shayoni's character, but just every single person, every female character that we have on the show is now in a position of power. And that's something we had always planned to do going forward for the first 3 seasons. We are also looking into the politics behind cricket and, like a completely fun, fictional take on what could have been or what is happening. And there's also what goes on, the dirty business behind broadcast rights and things. So we've just, picked up things and just gone to town with, in terms of fictionalizing the wild side of it. Yeah, so that's a few of the themes. It's fiction.
Well played, Karan. Well played.
Farhan wants to...
No, if I just may say, while Karan was very, very sweetly and sincerely answering his question, Richard's giving him reviews from the side of every point. Well said. Good. Yes. Fantastic.
Now you know what shoot is like.
Well, thank you so much and wish you all the best. Well, Kanishk, as we've seen this face-off between Vayu and Rohit, how important is the aspect of rivalry in season 3 and how have you tried pushing the envelope with the show's 3rd installment from a creative storytelling point of view?
Well, I think rivalry in any form of drama is paramount. You look at any film or show, be it Rush or Ford versus Ferrari, like 2 people wanting the same thing. The rivalry is damn important. So even same thing for Insiders. I think everyone, be it like Vayu Rohit, be it what Zarina wants versus Vikrant Dhawan. There are some other aspects of rivalry as well, which of course we'll keep it for 3rd December for people to watch. But it has added a lot more drama. So I think it's been a very important aspect of the storytelling point of view for Inside Season 3. And as far as creative, I just feel, because this was Season 3, and there's already a set boundary for the show's drama, so it wasn't like we were trying to create something new. I did, on certain aspects, of course, with Mr. Karan Anshuman's permission, and I had to really beg him a lot to kind of do certain things that I wanted to do, which he was absolutely encouraging about. So we did push. The cricket, I would say, because it was test, and the first 2 seasons were like T20, so there's a lot of different style, the game becomes different, right? I mean, you got like defensive and more like pure like cricket per se. So there is where I feel that I was really excited to push the boundary because I have played the sport myself and I wanted to give it my all. We really sat a lot on the cricket, each ball. We made something like a playbook wherein we broke down each ball. All the guys here rehearsed it. It was like 2 months of rehearsal on how you break down an action sequence or a dance sequence. So, I mean, I really feel the drama is, of course, insane. It's gone up, not just from like the previous 2 seasons, but I really feel the cricket also has come a long way. And I really hope everybody feels the same way. We enjoyed making it. I don't know about Tanuj and Akshay because they were like, in Pune, in May, in that heat, almost fainted. Vayu almost fainted, by the way. Like, these guys gave it their all, and I just hope you all also, everybody enjoys it as much as we like enjoyed making it.
So the experience is going to be bigger and better this time with season 3.
Yes, sir, absolutely.
Thank you, thank you. Vivek, Vikrant has seen so much happening in front of his eyes. Now, what do we expect? What is something new from Vikrant onto the table or onto the stadium or off the stadium this time?
Well, I think when Karan shared season 3, the script, I read it and I called him back, and I remember and this is going to sound like a plug, but it's not. I was like, I was totally at a loss of words. I was like, damn, this is so good. To me personally, and I think a lot of us will agree here, I think that Inside Edge season 3 is the best season yet. What do you guys think? Absolutely. Yeah? Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. I feel that with Vikrant, I mean, he's such a powerful character, and he's seen that, that success, that failure, the betrayal, and he's kind of rising back from the ashes. He's kind of that phoenix rising back from the ashes, that wounded tiger on the hunt. And I love that about him in this season. I love that this means so much to him, even personally, because for the first time in 3 seasons, you get to see what makes Vikrant who he is. Because somebody who's that extreme always has some sort of an extreme experience going on behind it. So you get to see the man behind the mask. You get to see why he's the way he is and why this is all so important to him. So I think fans of Inside Edge and fans of Vikrant Dhawan, people who've been excited and hitting me up on social media, are going to be able to see a whole different side to Vikrant Dhawan, which I'm really excited about.
I would say, okay, bhai sahab. Wish you all the best for that. Richa, sorry, मैं जब बोलता हूँ तो पहली बार बोलता हूँ तो ऐसे चिल्ला रहा हूँ लग रहा है, but
You missed the pause.
I missed the pause.
There's got to be a deep pregnant pause. It's going to be like, okay,
Okay.
pause, bhai sahab.
I'll do it again.
And then
Okay.
little chin nod maybe.
Okay, bhai sahab.
Brilliant. I'm seriously feeling insecure right now.
Thank you. Richa, you've been a part of the season since the first season. What is it that keeps Zarina going?
Zarina?
Zarina.
So, I guess revenge. She's quite. She started off as somewhat of a naive character in season 1. In season 2, she had shades of grey. And in season 3, I think she will have fully formed shades of grey that she thinks are white. And I think sometimes, some kind of, revenge is a lazy form of grief, they say. So I think she's somewhat sad and hurt about what had happened in the past. So she's trying to, I see you nodding, Tanu. She's very focused on getting what she wants. She feels she's been wronged, and that keeps Zarina going. What keeps me going with this show is I'm tremendously excited about the format. I remember when this show first came to me, I felt really fortunate, but also everybody around me told me, "Arey, web series, hi, career khatam ho gaya," all that. I want to ask where. Anyway, so I'm just saying, for me, this show really perfectly bridged the gap between what the urban Indian wanted to watch. And, maybe not everybody can relate to Saas Bahu, no offense. And not everybody wants to only watch international content that is dubbed in. So this provided something to a whole class of people that were neither here nor there. So I'm really excited about the format, about what the OTT space is doing for the industry, what the writing of series is like with book adaptations and so many things happening now. And I think as an actor also, it's really fun to get to, I'm not who I was 6 months ago. So why does Zarina also doesn't have to be who she was a year ago, and that journey is very exciting for me.
So the different layers of Zarina is what we're going to look forward to in season 3 as well.
Zarina is kanda.
Zarina is?
Onion. Yeah.
The peeling of the layers.
Oh, peeling of the layers.
High fund hai thoda.
High fund.
Sorry for the joke that didn't quite land.
Inside Edge में से bouncer कहेंगे ना? थोड़ा bouncer.
Googly.
Googly. Thank you so much. But thank you and wishing you all the best. And Shayani, you're always super excited, super enthu when it comes to stats, analysis, jo bhi hota hai, you're always excited. But what is the most exciting thing, according to you, about season 3?
It was so long ago, I have forgotten kind of. But for me, the most exciting part of, stop laughing please, most exciting part
She doesn't have a laptop here, no? So she always was always getting all the info right. Yahan se.
Okay, concentrate, guys. Focus. Let me focus. You know.
She's turned red.
So the most exciting part of about Rohini for me, my director here sitting next to me just prompted, is I think that Rohini goes and looks for her family, and for the first time in 3 seasons, you see the history behind Vayu and Rohini's family, and you know it becomes much more personal and hence much more layered. You understand where these two brother sister, you know, where have they come from? You know, how have they reached here? What has been their journey and the reason behind, you know, the people they are. And it's extremely well written, and I have to say this at this point, that Karan, and with the writer's room that we have, which is incredible, and with the director each year, and this year Kanishk, all the parts are so well written, but especially the women parts, and like Karan was saying, they are incredibly well-rounded and empowered, and they have their own agency, which is, you know, which is not something you see every day. So that, and also the very exciting part is, you know, we have our old family, and we have new entrants, which is Kanishk and Akshay. So yeah, we have a lot of new team members, which is incredible, and you must see it on 3rd of December to know more.
That we've had season after season, they keep throwing Vayu into these interesting new scenarios and situations, you know, where he always has his back against the wall. And it's truly been fascinating. I actually joke with my friends. I think that Vayu is my best imaginary friend that I never had, because as I see him growing from season to season, I see myself as well. And it's very rare for an actor to get the chance to portray a role time after time, because many of us here do web series as well as films. But the one massive advantage of doing a web series is that you get to revisit that character and just see which way the wind blows. So it's been fascinating, and yeah.
Vayu indeed is a super cool personality, and we love Vayu. So
thank you so much.
And all the best. And to the new entrant, Akshay, how would you describe Rohit Shanbag?
Rohit is, as you said earlier, Captain Cool. I think that he has a complete contrast to Vayu Raghavan's personality. And actually, first, I'd really like to thank Karan and Kanishk for, you know, I had never really played cricket before, personally. And they trusted me to, you know, go off and learn, and gave me an incredible coach, Prashant, and I worked day and night with him. And I just really, I mean, it's really thanks to them that they trusted me enough to go work on this thing, because Rohit is a great batsman. So yeah, that's the gist of the guy.
Wishing you all the best, and a big shout out to Prashant Kataria as well.
Absolutely, man. He's fantastic.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Let's have a huge round of applause for the cast makers of Inside Edge Season 3. And now, I'm sure, मेरा नंबर कब आएगा ऐसा होगा वहाँ से कि सचिन कितने सवाल पूछेगा. Well, we're opening the floor for the media Q&A, पर उससे पहले.
Farhan sir, Excel has always come up with eating projects, like be it Mirzapur or Inside Edge or a movie. So what drives you as a producer?
That reaction. That's it. I mean, when people feel the way you've just felt after seeing this, that inspires us to keep going. So I hope we can keep making you feel this way. That's really all it is.
Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Nawaz from Team Miss Malini, and absolutely love the trailer. But my question is to Aparna ma'am. So Aparna ma'am, like you mentioned that, you know, this was Inside Edge was probably the first original series from Amazon. I want to know what was so appealing about Inside Edge that you decided to go ahead with it as the very first original series.
Of course, this incredible team that put it all together. But I think the fact that it was an interesting cocktail of sports and entertainment, the two real passions that our country has. You couldn't have gone wrong with that.
Hi, this is
Pratham
from Latestly. On your left, on your right, rather.
Hi,
Here
that's
in the
right.
corner.
On to the left. On the wall.
I have a question for Tanuj. Tanuj, how your character has evolved in all these 3 seasons. You have just talked about it, but through all those manipulations, all those maneuvering tactics, and are you going to wear the proverbial hat of the captain in this one?
I think the answer to all your questions will be out there from the 3rd of December, because we can't get into spoiler territory right now. But I mean, leading up to this point, of course, you know, like just in real life, as we grow and we evolve, so do these fictional characters. And as I gave in my previous answer, a lot of credit has to go to Karan and the writers, because they have made sure that he's not just one prototype character, you know, because you guys loved him the first time around, but if we just did a rehash of that and there was nothing new to offer in the second season, then you guys would get bored. So we have tried to keep the momentum and give him interesting scenarios, show how he reacts to different situations, different people, some strife in his personal life, some strife in his career, and everything come together. So it's been fascinating, and I don't think he's ever been tested as hard as he's about to be tested in the 3rd season. But for the answers, you'll have to check out Inside Edge.
One quick question to Vivek Oberoi. Richa just said kanda. She used the word kanda. It did not land well though. Layers after layers, onion. And we have seen that, the shades of gray and positive both. How do you see all these layers? Are they evolving? Does that help you evolve as a person, as a performer as well?
That's a very Kanda question. Lots of layers in that question itself. You know, if we go back to the genesis of Inside Edge, it became India's first multi-genre series, right? You had two things, sports and politics, which are both highly spoken about. At every pan ki tapri that you go around, you know, to every boardroom that you go to in India, there'll be a conversation about cricket and politics, always. So that obsession kind of was written in. But how do you make it interesting? I think the soul of Inside Edge, Karan and the writers, what they've created is the characters. That's why there's such a high sense of identification with every character. When you read forums, when you read responses, when we go online, when we meet fans, they're always relating to each character, right? They've got some personal relationship going on with each character. Somebody's totally in love with Shayoni, somebody's totally in love with, you know, what Tanuj is playing as Vayu. So I think that connect is what matters. And how do you keep that connect? Over the past 4 or 5 years, over 3 seasons, you have to keep layering the characters, peeling layer after layer, getting you to see deeper, getting you to know them more, getting you to see their vulnerabilities. And that is a writing challenge. And that I think Karan and his writers have done phenomenally well. And that's what the differentiator of this show is. Every single character has kanda, has layers, has a potential to grow. But no bad breath, I promise you.
Hi, this is Sohail over here. Congratulations to the entire team. As the name goes, Inside Edge, काफी edgy है, you know, and sleeky, culty, you can say, like, you know. My question is to Farhan and Vivek. As a child or as a teen, एक cricket का kit own करना was a very proud moment. तो अगर उस बात को लेकर कुछ share करना चाहोगे, if you have any memories actually, you know.
Yeah, I mean, I remember when I was a child and Vivek got me my first my first cricket kit. नहीं ऐसी बात नहीं है, मतलब सभी के memories हैं cricket को लेके. It really is. I mean, it is an unlisted religion in this country. अगर आपके family में खून में थोड़ा बहुत cricket नहीं है, तो you feel like you're less Indian. So that's really what it was. I grew up playing cricket. I'm sure all of us have. बिल्डिंग में खेलते थे, रास्ते पे खेलते थे. अभी मुंबई में अनफॉर्चुनेटली स्पेस थोड़ी कम हो गई है, तो इतना खेलने को नहीं मिलता. लेकिन I've always had cricket in my life. I've always had the conversation of cricket in my life. Some of the best memories that I have around the TV with my parents and their friends, watching India win some incredible matches. Also heartbreak when India lost some very, very tight and close matches. So that really is a part and parcel of who we are. If we look into our lives, cricket has played a huge, huge role in connecting all of us. You know, you can't take that away. So it's just a part of who we are. Culturally, it's a part of who we are. The love for cricket.
Thanks, Will. Thanks for the question. To echo what Farhan said, all of us have grown up here. हम सब ने मोहल्ला क्रिकेट खेला है, गली क्रिकेट खेली है. मैदान नहीं होते हैं ज़्यादा मुंबई में, इसलिए यू फाइंड ऑल ऑफ अस, जहाँ पे संडे का दिन तो ऐसा होता था, खासकर वो रामायण वगैरह खत्म होती थी, उसके बाद सब रोड के ऊपर आ जाते थे खेलने के लिए. वो संडेज इन दोज डेज यूज्ड टू बी एम्प्टी रोड्स, राइट, इन मुंबई. Can't remember, that totally dates us, by the way. And अभी भी वो दिन याद है यार, जब सब पिच इन करते थे, 4 रुपए का रबर बॉल आता था, और रबर बॉल जिसने घुमाया फिर वो रोता था कि अब मुझे 4 रुपए पूरे भरने पड़ेंगे नया रबर बॉल लेने के लिए. तो वो सारे ड्रामे, वो अंकल के यहाँ जाके खटखटाना कि सॉरी अंकल, आपके फर्स्ट फ्लोर की बालकनी के अंदर हमारा बॉल चला गया है, उनका गाली देना कि कांच के पेन्स तोड़ रहे हो. मतलब all those experiences is what kind of we grew up with. And I remember post 83, there was this Campacola campaign, right, which used to have the players' faces behind the cans, right? And then if you collected enough of them, you could go and get at your store.
I remember Vivek telling me about this.
Huh?
Vivek मुझे बताता था ये सब, मुझे from his time.
हाँ, जब आप छोटे थे मैं आपको कहानियां बताता था. Correct, right. ज़्यादा तूफान मत मचाओ अभी. So, yes, I remember all those memories. And post 83, one of my favorite memories around cricket was that us winning and all of that. And that Diwali, my father got me my first ever cricket set. Proper, like pails, stumps, pads, sab kuch mila ke. I remember I couldn't figure out what the groin thing was for at that time. I remember that memory. But that was amazing. And I remember that during Diwali, हमारे घर में एक वो पूजा के टाइम पे they put things like books and instruments of music over there for puja back in the day. I used to bring my cricket set to keep it there. I was 8, 9, whatever years old. I felt really emotional about it. So it mattered that much to all of us growing up.
Hello everyone. Myself Deepesh Pandey from Dainik Jagran. मेरा सवाल करण से रहेगा. करण, पिछले 2 सीजन में हमने देखा कि आपने जो इनसाइडर्स था वो फ्रेंचाइजी लीग पे आधारित था. इस बार ट्रेलर में हमने देखा कि टेस्ट मैच को आप ला रहे हैं, इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान को दिखा रहे हैं. क्या रीज़न रहा कि फ्रेंचाइजी लीग से उठा के आपने टेस्ट मैच पे पूरी स्टोरी प्लॉट की, एंड देन इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान क्या कुछ ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग प्लॉट रहा?
So India versus Pakistan Test series is like, the final sort of frontier of what you want to depict, in a fictional sense of what a cricket का जो मुकाबला है, that has to be like the greatest show, right? So we were always building up towards this. I mean, T20 is not, according to me personally, is a bit of a corruption of the game. I'm a purist. And, one was always trying to get to this point to show what cricket really is about, and, the skills that it requires to be a test player is really true. I think that has changed in the last few years. T20 has become a very different sport from when it started out. And when we started out also, it's in the last 5-6 years, it's evolved a lot. But having said that, I can't think of a more fun event than an India-Pakistan test series, because that is really a true test of who we are and, in sports.
Hello, myself Pooja Saman. मेरा सवाल रीचा से है. रीचा, you are looking beautiful as always, especially in this look. सीजन 3 आप कर चुकी है और 2 सीजन ऑलरेडी में आपकी तारीफ हो चुकी है. आईपीएल और क्रिकेट के बारे में कितनी फैमिलियर आप हो चुकी है?
मैं बचपन में क्रिकेट जब मैंने देखना शुरू किया, मेरा भाई भी खेलता था कुछ समय के लिए दिल्ली में, पर मेरी जो पहली मोहब्बत राहुल द्रविड़, हमने उनको बहुत देखा और धीरे धीरे जब वो फेज आउट हुए तब कुछ हद तक क्रिकेट देखना भी बंद हो गया, और मैं ओपनली ये कन्फेस कर सकती हूँ आपके सामने. और अब जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, मैं बहुत सारा क्रिकेट दोबारा देखने वाली हूँ. इतना ही कहना है. बस आप सीरीज़ एंजॉय करें. इस बार बहुत सारे उतार चढ़ाव है, बहुत सारी पॉलिटिक्स है और बहुत सारे पावर स्ट्रगल्स आपको देखने को मिलेंगे. बस इससे ज़्यादा कुछ कह नहीं सकती. थैंक यू.
जरीना के कैरेक्टर के कई शेड्स है, उसमें एक ये भी है कि वो फाइटर भी है. तो इस बार के सीजन 3 में किस तरह के चैलेंजेस रहे आपके लिए?
जरीना की जो फाइटिंग स्पिरिट है वो कहाँ से शुरू हुई ये आपको इस बार देखने को मिलेगा. उसके बचपन की कुछ कहानियाँ, उसके पास्ट, उसकी माता पिता के बारे में कुछ देखने को मिलेगा आपको. और कहीं ना कहीं आप खुद एक महिला हैं, आप जानती हैं अगर किसी भी फील्ड में सक्सेस आपको चाहिए तो बहुत बार आपको मर्दों से थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. तो उसी तरह के एटीट्यूड की वजह से जरीना बनी हुई है सीरीज में और बहुत गूगली मारेगी इस बारी.
हेलो फरहान सर, राहुल हियर फ्रॉम द फिल्मी चर्चा. आई एम श्योर इस बात से आप 100% एग्री करेंगे कि जितनी तवज्जो क्रिकेट को दिया जाता है इंडिया में उतनी और स्पोर्ट्स को नहीं मिलती है. तो इस सीरीज में क्रिकेट के डार्क साइड को दिखाया गया है, जो डोपिंग होती है क्रिकेट में, लेकिन बाकी स्पोर्ट्स में भी होती है. आप भी वाकिफ है इस चीज से. तो क्या आगे प्लान है कुछ भी और दूसरे स्पोर्ट्स में भी डार्क साइड को दिखाने का?
इस वक्त तो मैं सच कहूँगा ऐसा सोचा है नहीं, लेकिन खुशी की बात यह है कि अब जो एक फोकस है इस देश का वो सिर्फ क्रिकेट पे नहीं है. बहुत सारे ऐसे स्पोर्ट हैं जो मतलब उभर के आगे आ रहे हैं. बैडमिंटन देख लीजिए आप, बॉक्सिंग देख लीजिए, रेसलिंग देख लीजिए, बहुत हॉकी देख लीजिए. बहुत से ऐसे स्पोर्ट हैं. मैं बहुत होंगे जिनके मैं अब लिस्ट में नहीं कह रहा हूँ आपसे, लेकिन एक नज़रिया है देश का और सरकार का भी स्पोर्ट के ऊपर, और वो चाहते हैं कि बच्चे जो हैं वो अलग अलग स्पोर्ट में एक्सेल करें. नाइस प्लग ना, थैंक्स कि वो बेहतर परफॉर्म करें. थैंक यू. और ये जब मैं देखता हूँ और जब मैं ऐसी खबरें सुनता हूँ, ट्रैक फील्ड में भी बहुत नाम कमा रहा है. अब आपने देखा नीरज चोपड़ा जो है, मतलब जैवलिन में कभी सोचा था आपने कि जैवलिन में कोई ओलंपिक गोल्ड मेडल जीत के आएगा इस देश में? हमने तो कभी ऐसा सोचा नहीं था. तो ये सब मतलब एक सालों की मेहनत का नतीजा है. ये मतलब ओवरनाइट तो ऐसी चीज़ें नहीं होती. तो ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि अलग अलग चीज़ों पे भी फोकस हो रही है. और जिस तरह से हम ज़्यादा एज अ व्यूअर, एज एन ऑडियंस, एज अ फैन उन स्पोर्ट्स में दिलचस्पी लेंगे, उन पर कहानियाँ भी बनना शुरू हो जाएंगी. ये जाहिर बात है, क्योंकि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री जो है, क्रिएटिव इंडस्ट्री जो है, वो देखती है कि सोसाइटी में क्या हो रहा है, कि क्या कैसी चीज़ें हैं, लोगों को क्या पसंद आ रहा है, उन्हीं पे कहानियाँ बनती हैं. तो उस पर भी बनेगी डेफिनेटली.
सयानी, जितनी डार्क साइड इस क्रिकेट की दिखाई गई है यहाँ पे, तो आप किन किन चीज़ों से पहले वाकिफ थे? कुछ नया भी जानने को मिला कि ये भी चीज़ें होती है क्रिकेट में?
मुझे तो जितना भी पता चला वो सब नया ही है, क्योंकि मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था क्रिकेट के बारे में. मैं देखती थी बचपन में अपने नानी के साथ बैठ के एक्चुअली, पर टेक्निकलिटीज़ नहीं पता थी. और इनफैक्ट जब करण ने मुझे कास्ट किया था तो करण ने मुझसे पूछा कि आपको आता है क्रिकेट, कुछ जानती हैं आप उसके बारे में? तो मैंने बोला नहीं, नॉट रियली. तो करण ने बोला हाँ, अभी इंडिया वेस्ट इंडीज़ का एक टेस्ट सीरीज चल रहा है, आप जाके देखो. So I went back home and I saw. I just knew, I mean, they're wearing white clothes, so it has to be test match. And I knew there are 11 people on either side. तो 3-4 दिन बाद करण को आके मैंने बोला, मैंने ना देखा, पता है बहुत मेथड एक्टर हूँ मैंने देखा. तो करण ने बोला, जिस दिन मैंने बोला था वो सीरीज तो रेन की वजह से रुक गई, आपने क्या देखा? तो मैंने बोला ओह अच्छा. तो बोला आप तो हाइलाइट्स देख के आई हैं, आपको ये भी नहीं पता कि हाइलाइट्स हो रही थी और असली मैच नहीं चल रहा था. तो आई हैव कम फ्रॉम देयर, पर आपको पता नहीं चला होगा क्योंकि मैं एक्टिंग ठीक ठाक कर लेती हूँ. तो सो एक्चुअली जो जितना मुझे पता चला है ये 3 सीजन के दौरान, बहुत कुछ करण हमें बोलते हैं कि जितना होता है वो तो हम दिखा भी नहीं सकते हैं, क्योंकि एक्चुअली इफ यू शो ऑल ऑफ दैट पीपल विल थिंक अरे ऐसे थोड़ी होता है, ये तो फिक्शन है. बट एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपेंस इन रियलिटी इज अपेरेंटली वे मोर exciting, for lack of a better word, in quotes, and outrageous than what can be shown even. So I think it's a very, very... No, but everything we show is obviously a work of fiction, and there is a writer's room of 6 people. And Richa wants to say something more.
Or I just want to say there's plenty of creative liberties that have been taken. Thank you very much.
Yes, please.
From Entertainment Nest, Sharik Sheikh, and I just want to ask you that how many layers are there and all the characters, there are many layers, so how many layers are there in your characters?
Sorry, was that for me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, there are a lot of layers in my character. I don't know how much of those I can share, but you know, I think the teaser or the trailer also showed you a little bit. Okay, there is something more probably at stake for this character than what meets the eye. But for that, I think you'd have to watch the season actually to get to know more.
Farhan? Farhan?
So that's all the time we have. I apologize to intervene. That's all the time we have for the Q&A. माफी चाहता हूँ.
फरहान से पूछना था.
If they please,
Yeah.
go ahead.
पहले तो बधाई, बहुत डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट है. लिखना ऐसे डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स पे लिखना भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है हम जर्नलिस्ट को.
ये आपको करण को एक्चुअली कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करना चाहिए. ज्यादा मेहनत इसी की है.
हाँ, लेकिन फाइनली ये आपका बेबी है, आपकी प्रोडक्शन हाउस का, और आप लोग बहुत डिफरेंट तरह के सब्जेक्ट्स उठाते रहे हैं. जैसा कि अभी अभी विवेक ने कहा कि पॉलिटिक्स और क्रिकेट, अगर हम आपकी ये पूरा जो आपका जो बेबी है उसको देखें तो उसमें क्रिकेट में जो पॉलिटिक्स है, अगर वो मेन स्ट्रीम पॉलिटिक्स के लेवल की नहीं तो उससे कम भी नहीं है. आप इस बात से कितना सहमत हैं?
मैम, मैं सिर्फ ये कहूँगा कि ये जो शो है ये आपके एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए है. तो जो भी आप देखेंगे इस फिल्म में, हमें ड्रामा क्रिएट करना पड़ता है ताकि लोगों को इंगेज कर सकें, उन्हें एंटरटेन कर सकें. तो हमारा काम तो यही है और हम वो पूरी मतलब मेहनत के साथ करते हैं. उससे जो आपको लेना है वो हर व्यूअर अलग अलग अपना एक अनुभव होगा, एक अलग एक्सपीरियंस होगा, एक अलग अंडरस्टैंडिंग होगी, वो आप ले सकते हैं उससे. लेकिन मैं सिर्फ एक लाइट बात पर ये अभी एंड करना चाहूँगा कि कांदा का इतना बात हो कि इतनी बातें हुई है. मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये सीजन बॉल जो है इस पोस्टर पे इसे निकाल कर अब एक कांदा हमने ये मैं सोच रहा हूँ.
Well, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपके सवाल के लिए. और जैसा आपने सुना कि कांदा यानी कि बहुत सारे लेयर्स हैं जो हमें देखने मिलेंगे सीजन 3 में भी. And on that note, it's the end of Play for today. However, as you all know, ये तो सिर्फ पहली इनिंग थी. Final inning for this thrilling test series will unfold shortly on your screens. And thank you so much. It has been a pleasure. All of you, thank you so much for joining us here. And it's going to be a cracker of a series about to release on Prime Video. Once again, thank you so much. And do not miss out. Remember, mark your calendars. It is the 3rd of December. Inside Edge Season 3 streaming exclusively on Prime Video. Wishing the entire cast and crew and the makers, thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. And layers, Kanda. Yeah. Thank you once again for joining us here. And this is Sachin Kumbar signing off. Stay safe, stay healthy, and take care. Thank you.